we will convert binary number 1011011101110 to octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. Octal, we should divide it to 3 bits every usa-usahon na to siya. So, dapat tagtulo lang para makuha ang octal. So, therefore, first atong kaon ang 101. So, 101. So, 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. And we should put a exponent here from 0, 1, 2. Dapat din ka mag-una sa right to the left imong pagsulat sa exponent. So, 1 times 2, 2 over raised to the power of 2 is equals to 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is equals to 2. Then plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1 as per of the rule of the math. So therefore, 1 times 4 is equals to 4 plus 0 times 2 is equals to 0 plus 1 times 1 equals to 1. So therefore, the answer is 5. So, ato na lang ibutan daanin para maigo ang atong answer, and I will explain it per clarify and precise. So therefore, the answer is 5. Sa kini lang ni siya nga first number sa 1010. So, by this time, ato na siyang kwaon ang 101 sa ika-duha nga groups of bits. So therefore, the given is 0, 1, and is equals to 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2, and you should put an exponent here, 0, 1, 2. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 4, and 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is equals to 2, and 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1. So, 1 times 4 is equals to 4 plus 0 times 2 equals to 0 plus 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So, therefore, the answer is 5. We should put here the 5 para mas makakuan. Hindi natin siya malimitan. And last, kuha na to ang ikaupat na group. So, 1, 1, 0 equals to 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 is equals to 1 times 2. Wait, we should put a exponent here. 0, 1, 2. So, therefore, 1 times 2 times raised to the power of 2 is equals to 4. And plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is equals to 2. And plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So therefore the answer is 4 plus 2 plus 0 is equals to 6. So therefore the answer from binary 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 base of 2 is equals to 5 5 6 6 with a base of 8. So madali ako tamong hatagan og kanang short discussion or formula unsa sa pagkuha. So therefore paula na to tulo-tulo 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 then 1 1 0. Tapos siya tunga-tungaon. So, we put here a 1, 2, 4. As the 2 raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1, and 2 raised to the power of 1 is equals to 2, and 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3 is equals to 4. So, pareho ra gyapon di ani. 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So, para mas madali, ang unsa kining 1 mao ra ni imong ipon. So therefore 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Then he is 1 1. So iyahang kanang murag positive. So So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Then the ani 1 or 1 the ani. So therefore ang iyahang equivalent is 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Then here is 1 nga nakakuan siya sa 4, then the ani is 1 pa siya. So imo siya i-plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So therefore makuha nimo ang iyang answer. Mas dali, mas pas-pas. The binary to decimal. And decimal has a base of 10, so therefore ato paitaan ang binary nga makadulog sa decimal. So the given was is 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 base of 2. So therefore 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 base of 2. And we should get the base of 2.
Uy, saba man kaayo yan.
0 1 1 0 is equals to 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 1 times 0 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus, oh my god, 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2. And we should get put an exponent here from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So therefore, the exponent of 1 raised to the answer of 2 raised to the power of 11 is 2048 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 10, and the exponent of 2 is 1024. So therefore 0 naman siya, pwede natin siya i-crash out para mas madali ta. And the 0 here crash out diretso kay no need naman siya 0 ra gihapon, 0 here, then 0 po daan para mas paspas ang atong solution ron. So 1 times 2, 2, and 2 raised to the power of 9 is equals to 515. So therefore 1 times 512 I mean, rather, plus 1 times raised to the power of 8 is equals to 200. 2 raised to the power of 8 is 256 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 6 is 64. So therefore 64 ni siya diani plus 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32. 32 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 1 times 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 1 times 2. So, ano na siyang i-solve? 2048 plus 512 plus 256 plus 64 plus 32 plus, oh my god, plus 1 times 16 rather ni 16 plus 4 plus 2, 4 ni siya, plus 2. So therefore the answer is 2,934 with a base of 10. So that's it. Nakuha na nimo ang decimal. So I should put here para mas klaro siya. For 90. So base of 10. That's it. by this time I will give you a short solution or way nga para makuha ang binary to decimal. So, therefore, the given itself is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 0, 1, 1, 0 base of 2. So, here we put an exponent here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, para mas madali ito na lang siyang butangan og value niya din he, or the answer itself. So, then he is 0, 2, and it is 4. Here is 0, while ini is 16, and the 2 raised power of 5 is 32, and this is 64, 0, and 64, 0, 256, and while this, the exponent of 9 is 512, well, it is 0, well, the exponent 11 is equals to 2048. So, if we will add this numbers, the total number of it is equals to 2,934. So, mas madali ka niya ani and precise imuhang answer rather than an other ways. So, mas prefer ko kung niya ani imuhang, mas prefer if ini imuhang gamiton. Mas dali and fast siya. And you should use your calculator para mas madali po ga. We will convert binary to hexadecimal. So, therefore, the given is 1011011010 base of 2. And hexadecimal has a base of 16. So, therefore, ato siyang i-divide to mukat ang 4 bits. So, dapat tulo siya kabuok, no? 1011 is equals to 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3. So, 2 times 2, 2 raised to the power of 3 is equals to 8. 1 times 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. That's because the every time nga ang given is raised to the power of 0, ang iyang answer is 1. So, therefore, 1 times 8 is equals to 8, plus 0 times 4 is equals to 0, plus 1 times 2 is equals to 2, plus 1 times 1 is equals to 1. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10, plus 1 is equals to 11. So, the 11 in hexadecimal is equivalent to letter B. So, ato na ibutan na ang letter B daan. And, kini na po natong kuhaon. So, therefore, 0, 1, 1, 1 is equals to 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. And we should put an exponent here, 0, 1, 2, 3. Is equals to 0 times 2 raised power of 3 is equals to 8 plus 1 times 2 raised power of 2 is equals to 4 plus 1 times 2 raised power of 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power of 0 is equals to 1. 0 times 8 is equals to 0 plus 1 times 4 is equals to 4 plus 1 times 2 equals to 2 plus 1 times 1 equals 1. So therefore the answer is 4 plus 2 is equals to 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So we should put 7 here para mas madali sa. Madali and makuha lang para to iyang answer, iyang short method of dissolution. So therefore ato na lang siya hatagan og kanang value. So tunga ang naghapon na to ang iyang difference. So 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 and 0, 1, 1, 0. So, you should put hindi kay exponent niya 1, 2, 3, 4. The exponent is the iyang value is iyang value is 1. I mean, balik ato. Sa pala iyang exponent is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then you get on 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, let's give their value. Kini is 1, 2, 4, 0, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. The aning yapon is 1, 2, 4, 8. So, para mas madali, ato lang i-solve, i-add ang, naabitang siya yung 1 para mas kuwan siya. So, i-solve nimo, i-plus nimo, or sum, or addition. So, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Then, yun, 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. And here, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3 plus 8 is equals to 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11. And the equivalent of 11 is P. So, therefore, the answer is P76. That's it.